Hey guys, this is going to be the last video for tonight, and I am going to sleep because I'm exhausted. And again, I just make these videos for fun, or when I feel like it, or whenever, I don't know. It's just for the time being. But anyway, we're going to talk about alternation, which is a type of morphological process. And specifically, we're going to talk about the D changing to the R, the D changing to the R sound, right? This phoneme changing to a R. And it's only when these endings, when the word ends with a D, right? And when the word gets changed to when it gets tacked on with another affix or suffix, that d changes to a ra. So I have some examples here, and we're just going to go through them, right? First example, luspad. Luspad meaning to be pale, right? To be pale or pale. So, lusparo na ang akong kamot. Lusparo na ang akong kamot means my hand is now pale, or like my hand is getting pale now. Right? Lusparo ng akong kamot. Second example, bukid, meaning mountain, right? Murag bukiran ang kinabuhi nila. Murag bukiran ang kinabuhi nila. So it's kind of, their lifestyle is kind of like from the mountains or from the mountainside. Like their lifestyle or their way of life is like of the mountains or relating to the mountains. Bukidan doesn't have a good conversational flow, so we say bukiran. That d changes to a ra, right? Next one is lingkod, meaning sit or to sit. So, dili kahoy ang lingkoranan. Dili kahoy ang lingkoranan. The chair is not wood or made of wood or lumber or whatever, wood related. So, lingkod means to sit, but lingkodanan doesn't have a good conversational flow, so we say lingkoranan, which means chair. You can also use the Spanish loan word silla or silla. This is just the indigenous word, lingkoranan. And look, for the next one, hubad, meaning to translate, hubad. But this one, we added the a or the ha ending, making this implicitly or implying that there is a sense of command or imperativeness, right? Hubad. Hubara sa iyang lengguahe. Hubara sa iyang lengguahe, meaning translate to her language. Translate. Hubara, translate it to her language. Hubara sa iyang lengguahe. Sige. Right? We're going to translate to her language. Hubad. Hubada doesn't have a good flow, so we change it to hubara. Sikad meaning to kick, right? Sige, sikari ang bola, or sikari pa ang bola. Sige, sikari pa ang bola. All right, keep kicking the ball. Hurry up. Keep going. Do it. Kick the ball. Keep kicking the ball. Go on. Keep kicking the ball. Sikari, right? Sikad from the verb sikad to kick, right? Or kick. Sikari pa ang bola. And the last one is bayad. This one kind of integrated everything. Karantado nimo, pastilan, you fool, damn it or dang it. Buanga means like, buang means crazy, but remember that a or ha ending made it to that whole point where craziness or the act or the function of the verb craziness is actually doing its thing with the intention of that being the focus, right? Buanga, ay karantado nimo, pastilan, buanga. Namutol ang kuryente kay walay bayaran sa kwentador. So we have that that assimilation namutol, right? From the root verb putol, meaning to cut off or to cut, putol, and we have nang, right, meaning something that already finished in the past or finished in the past aspect, I should say. So nang putol changes to namutol, which has a better conversational flow. Namutol ang kuryente kay walay bayaran, not bayadan, but bayaran sa kwentador. The electricity was cut off because there was no payment at the meter, or there was no payment to the meter, the electric meter that was going on. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. You fool, dang it, how crazy. The electricity was cut off because there was no payment at the meter. Oh yeah. Good night, people.